Zion is the reggae king, yeah man. Open wide the holy door, gates of Zion evermore. Call the faithful, call the meek, bless the strong and lift the weak. No God of hate, no wall of pain, only love can here remain. Every nation, every creed, find in yeah, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Build on stone of ancient days, temple standing holy ways. Every pillar strong with prayer, every wall just spirit bear. No hand of man but hand of God. Temple rise where prophet trod. From earth below to heaven high. Temple reach the endless sky. Temple of Zion, pure and strong. Keep the faithful all life long. House of prayer, house of peace. Bless the world and make war cease. It hold the chant of drum and song, echo righteous all day long. It shine the truth, it guard the flame. Temple stand in Jah true name. No thief, no liar pass the door. Temple keep the spirit sure. Every stone a sacred word. Every sound the prophet heard. It welcome poor, it welcome meek. It bless the humble heart them seek. It heal the sick, it feed the weak. Temple holy, pure and meek. From mountainside to valley low. Temple light forever glow. It stand eternal, stand divine. Temple built with Jah design. Me kneel within the holy hall. Hear the voice that guide us all. It says stand firm, don't lose your way. Temple bless you night and day. It lift me soul, it calm me mind. Temple show what love to find. Every heart can hear belong. Temple echo holy song. When the morning start to rise, temple glow beneath the skies. It stand forever, never fall. House of Jah command it all. From first chant to final day, temple show the righteous way. Home of spirit, home of flame. Temple blessed in Jah true name. Stand firm, stand tall. Temple of Jah above it all. No hand of hate can break the stone. Temple of Zion keep Jah throne. Temple of Zion, pure and strong. Keep the faithful all life long. House of prayer, house of peace. Bless the world and make war cease. From dawn to dusk, from now to then. Temple guide the soul again. na na. Na na. Reggae and ganja, yeah, man. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Ay ay ay. Zion, Jamaica, Reggae, yeah, man. Them build up tower, but it can't last. System based pan shadow pass. Me sight the lies behind the smile. Them feed the youth a toxic style. But we awake, we see the plot. Them selling poison, call it lot. Me bond the chain, me lift me head. Chalice make me spirit fed. Burn Babylon slow. One truth I stop the show. No need for rage or east. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Me see the hungry, the poor, the cry. While some fly jet in the sky. But equal rights, a flame still strong. It burn fi right, it burn fi wrong. Me chant with drum, me voice a sword. Me lyrics sharper than them word. Me burn corruption, me burn them lies. Babylon can't hide from Jah eyes. Burn Babylon slow. One truth that stop the show. No need for rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Me burn them law we sell out man. Me burn the chain and Babylon plan. Me rise with urban heart of steel. Me chant the word that make them kneel. No violence, me burn them fake. Jah fire move like river wake. Me stand tall pan ancient stone. Babylon fall when truth is known. Me teach me youth, fi think and grow. Fi plant new seed and make it show. Me no preach hate, me chant fi cleanse. Me build a bridge, no need fi fence. Babylon crumble slow but sure. Each lie exposed, them can't endure. Me hold the faith, me hold me ground. Till Zion trumpet shake the town. Burn Babylon slow. One truth that stop the show. No need for rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Yes, burn it slow but burn it real. Zion come and wounds will heal. Plant me care. Urban hope in the same air. Me no deal with concrete scheme. Me live in the natural dream. Each leaf a part of Jah reply. Zion grow when spirit high. Zion grow in a we. Like tree roots deep and free. From earth to earth the and move. In every leaf, the truth improve. Zion growing away, like tree roots deep and free. From heart to earth, the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting here. Meditation deep like rain in spring. Roots vibration make me sing. Me chanting I feel, me reason pure. Love and healing are Jah cure. No wickedness in our heart, only truth and works of God. Zion of our it start in a soul and grow in a way like stories told. Me see the hills wear crown of green like the promise Jah always mean. Me feel the rhythm in every breeze. Zion speak through birds and trees. Me share me harvest, me share me word. No gates, no wall, just love preferred. Zion grow when we overstand that Jah reside in every land. Zion growing away, like tree roots deep and free. From heart to earth, the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting here. Yes, I am growing away. For all who chant and plant faithfully. Na smoker. Spliff with Zion reggae. Up in the hills where the moonlight fall. Me sit with me thoughts, hear nature call. No light but the stars, them blink above. Me roll one tight with Jah love. Me wrap me dread like lion crown. Me spirit levitate, me soul not drown. Me chant of psalms, me heart beat slow. In the silence, the real truth show. Starlight over Zion, me guide in the dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. Me walk through grass tall like me fate. Each blade sing a song about life and fate. Them Babylon light, them flicker and fade. But the stars shine truth undiluted and afraid. Me chant for the youth, them lasting stress. For them who hustle but get no rest. Me send out frequency high and clean, like a trumpet blow in a holy dream. No riches in a pocket but me heart full. Me mind sharp, me senses full. Me sight Babylon, tricks and lies. Them build prison with sugar-coated ties. But me nah hate, me elevate. Me create sound, feel liberate. From Zion echo come healing balm. Reggae the sword and love the calm. Starlight over Zion, me guide in the dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. Me sit by river where cold wind blow and watch how the rhythm of the water flow. It teach me patience, teach me grace. Me see me reflection and find me place. Me nah run down fast, food love. Me build connection from roots above. Me woman beside me, natural queen. No fake, just real love, pure and clean. One spliff, one drum, one breath. Every night a rebirth, no death. Me see spirit in the owl's flight. Me reason deep in the heart of night. Rasta not sleep when wisdom call. Me write down visions on mountain wall. Starlight over Zion, me guide in a dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite. Treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo, flowing infinite. Oh, starlight guide me home. Zion road, me roam alone. Me spirit light like a morning breeze. Roots strong like 1,000 trees. Starlight over Zion. Starlight over Zion. Na na na, stiff with coconut water, yeah man. Me rise with the sun, face the east. Start the day with herbal feast. Coconut water, mango sweet. Ground food keep me on me feet. Me grind me herb, give Jah praise. Live ital ways for Lenten days. No process lies, no Babylon trap. Me boil me soup in clay pot lap. And me easy, roots food, roots mood. Ital bless me attitude. Me eat from ground, me feel so high. The soul clean, me spirit fly. Me no need pill, me sip, me brew. Ginger, turmeric and leaf them too. Papaya cleanse, time for breath. Ital keep me far from death. Me empress cook with sacred hand. Each bite a blessing from Jalan. The food she serve comes straight from heart. A healing heart, a holy heart. Me fire blaze, no microwave. Me stew bubble pan vibe so brave. Me garden flourish, me hand dig deep. Ital way, no come cheap. Me plate a bra, me bowl a him. Ital living strong within. No toxins here, no lying dish. Me spirit fed, me soul feel rich. And me easy, roots food, roots mood. Me belly full, me heart feel good. Me attitude pure, me thoughts refined. Me live ital and stay aligned. Me call the youth, show them how. Teach them, plant them, reap right now. No kick back thing, no soda fake. Ital teach them what's at stake. Me give them stew, me spread your word. Me voice uplift just like a bird. Me no preach loud, me action show. Ital way the youth them grow. And me easy, roots food, roots mood. From yard to world, ital food. Me chant, me cook, me live it true. Ital Steppa true and true. So if you're lost, try plant a tree. Let nature guide you peacefully. The root no truth, the food no grace. Ital life a sacred space. Bada bim, bada bim, bada bim, bada boom. Kaya kushina melo. vanity show. Me find me riches in the roots that grow. Each leaf a teacher, each bud divine. In a Jah garden me find the sign. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call Jah name, no need for shame. Me reason me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Me born Babylon, plan and fear. Inhale wisdom, exhale care. The chalice circle like sacred right. The moon watch over we every night. Me sit in silence, hold Jah word. Each breath deeper, spirit stirred. Chalice lift me vision bright. Meditation make me see the light. Me reason with elder from long time past. Him say youth, hold your love steadfast. Me humble self to the natural flow. nature, man. Me rise up early when the sun just kiss. Barefoot pan sand, no place me miss. Coconut tree stretch to the sky. Me sit underneath and me reason why. No need for riches or flashy show. Me treasure the moment, let blessings flow. Me have me ganja, me have me drum. Me have Jah love, me kingdom come. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Babylon call, but me nah pick up. Me sipping coconut from nature cup. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Them want power, me want release. Me woman dancing in the breeze. She wear no makeup, just natural ease. We sing a song of ancient tone. Rasta family, we not alone. Me hear the ocean talk to me soul. Say youth man, stay firm and whole. Me look to the sky, me give thanks for life. Through all the struggle and all the strife. Me no stress about the news them bring. Me build strength while the bird them sing. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Children laughing, I had pure joy. No war, no hate, no ply. Me teach them truth through reggae style. With love and rhythm, we reconcile. Me play me guitar with humble hands. Chant a melody, fi heal the lands. Me nah judge skin or creed. Me only follow Jah word and deed. Me take a walk when the moon is high. Stars guide me like prophecy sky. Me see me ancestors in the flame. Them whisper songs, them call me name. Them said chant for justice, chant for love. Chant the truth from up above. Me nah follow trend or hype. Me follow Rasta, me trad it right. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Meditation deeper than ocean. Vibration real, no illusion. From coconut tree to secret drum. Rasta youth know where we from. No Babylon distraction can break we soul. Zion echoes forever. Smoke a spliff inna the morning, yeah man. Nah, man. Me rise up early, sun kiss me face. Blessed morning in a holy place. Me step barefoot on earth so green. Ganja leaf dip on the sea. Me give thanks thanks for the breath me take, for the life and every move me make. Me brew me tea from roots and bark. Me chant a song when the roosters bark. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me plant me food, me till me land. Me hold the drum with a steady hand. Me woman bring fruits from the tree. She is natural, just like me. No fake smile, no plastic vibe. We live clean, love deep and thrive. No rush life, no clock fi bind. Me time flow in Jaja time. Me look to the hills, me see me dream. Me hear ancestors on the mountain stream. Them guide me steps when the world get loud. Them lift me spirit from beneath the cloud. Me chant them names and me keep them near. Me walk with courage, never fear. Me meditate and the vision clear. Me know who me is, me mission here. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me sit on stone beside me drum. Me heart beat like a lion come. Me light one spliff fi cleanse me mind. Me see the signs me used to blind. The children run, them laugh and play. Them carry the sun into the day. Me teach them truth, me show them peace. Me show them how love never cease. Herb is me sacrament, me meditation tool. Me burn it in a silence or by the stream pool. No violence, no hate, me chant for love. Me answer to guidance from Jah above. Me nah follow fashion or Babylon pace. Me find me reading in a Rasta grace. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truth untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Oh, morning light on Rasta face. Peace and love in a sacred space. Me praise the sun, me bless the rain. Me live for joy, not chase no gain. Rasta morning, light and clear. Rasta morning, Jah is near.
Shine, but me say, give me the herb and sunshine. Gold and silver can feed soul. Them build prison, me walk Jah goal. Me na inna no Gucci cloth. Me wear me roots, me bun them fraud. Me step on earth barefoot and strong. Me sing for Zion, me chant me song. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Me plant me seeds and wait for feast. Me nah run race for who a drive Benz. Me ride rhythm, me build from friends. Give me roots over riches, love over fame. Me trod with lion heart, me bun them shame. Inna the hills, me smoke and pray. No mansion coulda buy me way. Me rich in spirit, me wealthy still. Cause Jah provide and guide me will. Me no need 10 chain round neck. Me need coconut and hammock check. Me no beg likes on social screen. Me live me life like reggae queen. Me sweep me yard, me grow me food. Me sing in key, me change the mood. Me dep on mission, no competition. Me bring the healing, the real nutrition. From Portland coast to Kingston yard. Me carry roots music like old postcard. Them try fi sell culture like it's a brand, but me live it real, hand to hand. Me wealth no lie in Walter Bank. Me store it in rhythm, in ganja plank. Me measure success by calm and joy. Me chant with elders, me build not destroy. Me write with ink of discipline. Me pen me life from deep within. Me no shame fi cry, me no afraid fi feel. Cause real Rasta man a move real. Give me roots over riches, truth over hype. Me sit in silence, me bun the mic. Me rich in faith, me fill with love. Me step on Babylon, rise above. Me wealth not fade like fashion way. Me trod with drum and smoke all day. One little spliff on me rising light. Me nah wait for no Friday night. Every day me reason with Jah. Me nah wait for stage or camera. Me cook Ital with fire stick. Me sing ya bingy when rhythm kick. Me teach me youth bout balance and breath. Me tell them money can't buy debt. Them system flashy but empty still. Me choose the mountain, me choose Jah will. Me heart is full, me belly fed. Me sleep in peace, no fear, no dread. So when you see me humble and calm, know me protect me soul like Psalm. Me chant for ones who not yet free. Me send this vibe across the sea. Me nah wear crown, me wear me smile. Me trod this earth, Rasta style. And though them chase diamonds and checks, me rich with herbs pon me neck.
Aye, aye, aye. Me family strong, me vibe real firm, yeah man. Early morning, me rise before the sun. Birds then chant, Jah work begun. Me sit on rock, me herb a burn. From this meditation, me never turn. Me rap, me rope, me humble deep. Me spirit rise, me mind asleep. In a silence, me find the word. No preacher need, me soul is hurt. Me breathing slow, me let it go. The smoke rise high, me heart move low. Each time me take, me go more clear. Me hear Jah voice whisper near. Say, meditate and elevate. Free me mind, me shift me state. Ganja leaf a open gate. To higher plane, Jah light so great. Meditate and elevate. No rush, no hate, me clean me plate. Me humble path, me destiny. Inna the the hills of prophecy. Me on the gold chain or flashy ride. Me walk barefoot, truth inside. Me chop wood, me boil me tea. Ital living, set me free. Me plant me greens, me bless the land. The herb grow tall, in a hand. Me not trust, no poison plates. Me energy pure, me spirit straight. Me empress walk, beside me stride. She bring the calm, me bring the guide. We chant psalms under moonlight clear. No fear in our hemisphere. Meditate and elevate. One draft for the stress me face. One chant for the world in a haste. Rasta pace, ja time no waste. Meditate and elevate. Me nah compete, me nah debate. The herb reveal the deeper truth. From ancient time to Rasta youth. Some smoke for hype, me smoke for grace. Each puff a prayer in sacred space. Me no escape, me elevate. Me feel the love, me clean the hate. Ganja a plant, not crime, not vice. Is the holy bush fi meditate twice. Soothe me brain, mend me soul. Guide me vision to higher goal. Me like the chalice with respect. Me no blaze, just fi neglect. Every leaf a blessing, me overstand. Like stars at
Aye, 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 aye. Zion is the king, yeah, man. Me rise before the sun come up. Me sit by me window, drink from jack up. Me inhale the herb, exhale me stress. The silence talk, me mind find rest. Me chant psalms in a belly of dawn. Even when road rough, me heart stay strong. Me nah follow Babylon, run them race. Me walk the road, me find me pace. Me nah complain, me overstand. Blessings come with the work of hand. Me nah get tired, me nah get weak. Jah had the strength that me so sad. Rasta never tired, nah. Even through fire, me rise higher. Meditation and the Kaya light guide me footsteps through Jannah. Rasta never tired, oh no. Me soul keep moving, steady flow. Me drum beat deep like mountain call. Even when me stumble, me nah fall. People rushing, system pushing, but me spirit stay cool, never crushing. Them run them car, them chase them gold. Me light me spliff, me story unfold. Me sit beside warmth in a downtown heat. Me reason with elder, me stay discreet. Me learn from silence, me hear Jah voice. Me walk Ital path, me conscious choice. Me queen she strong, she cook Ital stew. Teach the youth how love come true. Even when rain come hard and wild, me shelter the flame, me hold your child. Wah. Me nah need Red Bull, me nah need pills. Me climb me mountain with natural skills. Me burn me sage, me beat me drum. Even when them say me time no come. Me pray for Babylon, but me no bow. Me plant me seeds in sacred ground now. The moonlight guide me in a map. Me nah lose faith, me nah fall trap. Rasta never tired, no lie. Me reach the stars without try. Herbs in a pipe, thoughts in a flight. Me live your truth, day and night. Me beat now ya bingy till morning break. Me give more love than me ever take. Me nah stop chant till system fall. Me answer the call, me give it all. Zion and no far. It inna your soul. It nah need passport, it nah need toll. It a the place where love reign free. It live in roots, it flow like sea. Me carry Zion inna me song. Each verse a wing, each note stay strong. Me build a temple with bamboo frame. Me cook Ital food, me call your name. Me smoke me chalice under the moon. Me heart in tune like reggae tune. Me not sleep on Babylon bed. Me dream awake, me stay ahead. So when the world feel heavy and rough, me remind myself, me soul is tough. Me trod through fire, me smile through rain. Me dance through sorrow, me heal me pain. Rasta never tired, never fade. Me tune still strong like razor blade. The beat still deep, me breath still long. Me voice still chant redemption song.
Na na na, Jah bless the Rasta nation, yeah man. Me wake up early, sun kiss me face. Birds are chanting at the morning grace. Me stretch me arms like tree in bloom. The earth a healing tune. Me boil me roots, me sip me tea. Me pray to Jah, fi guide me free. Me walk barefoot through morning dew. Me feel the pulse of life brand new. Me nah need diamond, me nah need fame. Me riches grow in Jah name. Each bite of fruit, each leaf me steam. Ital life like sacred dream. Me heartbeat, Ital no chemical war. Pure from the soil like Jazz avatar. Me soul dance clean, me body stay bright. Ital in me blood, Ital in a delight. Oh, Ital heartbeat. In every step me feet. Me kitchen smell like ancient ground. Turmeric, thyme, and herbs profound. Me stir me pot with Rasta and each spice a prayer fi overstand. Me bless me food before me bite. Ital feed me inner light. No meat, no poison, just what grow. Me follow Jah, me spirit know. Inna me yard, me plant me greens. Spinach, callaloo, healing beans. Me love the dirt pan me fingertip. Each harvest come with jammanship.
Me climb the hill when world get loud. Me find peace in the highest cloud. Spliff in a hand, me thoughts them slow. Ital vibration start to flow.
No judgment here, just clean intention. Me burn me sage for soul redemption. Meditation like river stream. Ital man, live him dream. Ital beat like Naya Bingi drum. Pure and deep, it never done. Rhythm in a belly, melody in mind. Ital soup of Rasta kind. Me sing Ital heartbeat. In every herb me eat. Me gather me youth round fire glow. Me teach them all the Ital grow. Respect the land, respect yourself. True wealth come from natural health. We dance to drum, we chant in circle. Me tell them story in a miracle. Oh Rasta live, oh we stay true. No plastic vibe, just morning dew. Me queen a smile, she prep the dish. Ital stew, pan coconut wish. The moon rise up and bless the sky. And Jah whisper through firefly. So live Ital, love Ital, breathe Ital too.
Rasta man grind the ganja, yeah man. Me up open me eyes to the sound of birds. Sunrise chanting Jah holy words. Me spirit calm, me mind feel light. Rasta walk clean in a morning bright. No rush in the heart, no hate in a speech. Me trod in peace, me teach what me preach. Me burn no one, me lift them high. Rasta love deep like endless sky. Whoa, one love, one light. Rasta man, grind the ganja, yeah man. Whoa, one love, one light. Rasta man, grind the ganja, yeah man. One love, one light, one heart beating strong. One rhythm, one Jah singing the same song. No borders, no fight, just overstanding truth. Rasta vibes eternal, forever in youth. Me walk barefoot on the sacred land. Me feel the pulse of Jah mighty hand. Smoke rise up like a prayer to sky. Meditation deep, me soul fly high. No gold chain, me crown is dread. Roots and culture fi nourish me head. Me no need vanity or Babylon game. Me wear righteousness like holy flame. The light in your soul, it never fade. It shine through shadow, it break the shade. In every ghetto, in a mountain peak, Jah love speak to the strong and meek. Me call to me people, stand up firm. Love each other, we have to learn. Plant the seed, water it true. It grow in love, it grow in you. One love, one light, me sing it loud. Rasta message reach every crowd. From Kingston Lane to Berlin Street. The rhythm carry hope on every beat. Ital food, Ital breath. Keep me far from spiritual death. Me praise me Jah with every bite. Me soul nourished by natural light. Me empress smile, me youth them play. Me chant psalms, fi guide me way. Me burn herb, not just fi eye, but fi see Jah clear, fi touch the sky. One love, one light, me chant till dawn. Rasta rise strong from dusk till morn. Me no need war, me bring the balm. Me heart beat cool, me spirit calm. So listen the drum, deny ya bingy roll. Let it echo deep in your soul. Jah calling I, and I to unite. One destiny, one love, one light.